Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here I have a 2016 M55.3 showing 1,318 hours. This thing has been refurbished and repainted. You get yourself pallet forks, a backrest, all new tires all the way around, ladies and gentlemen. You also get a refurbishment. Now, when we refurbish these, we look for leaking cylinders, leaking hoses, pressure and leak test the system, make sure your hydraulic pump's working correctly. If something's any faulty, we go ahead and replace it. We also go ahead and check out the rollers, the mass bearings, the chains, pins, bearings, anything that can be wearable. If we find it out of spec, we go ahead and take care of it. When we repaint these, we take off this roll cover, the seat, this diamond plating here, many of these gray covers, the hoods, the back door, and then we paint that stuff separately, and then we put it all back together so a nice, long-lasting finish. Now, we'll give you what we call an operational guarantee. What that means is it's going to be in condition I'm showing you here today. We're going to back you up, help you get it fixed. That's very short term, just when it shows up. Hits the ground like I'm saying, running, doing the job, that's over, but we will continue to back up this Kohler engine for an additional 30 days. Now take a look, all your fluids have been changed. You have a beautiful, see all the nice paint all deep inside here. Everything's got a new coat, it looks really good. You're not gonna get that with our competitors that we know of. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we'll show you this Kohler engine. It's a really nice shape. You got the power you need there, 56 horsepower. Look how clean everything is here. Check out the nice tires. Now we're going to go ahead and fire it up and do a little bit of operational for you. What we're going to do is make the engine turn on so you can hear it purr. Then we're going to also do some operations. Here's your mast going up and down. This is also a 10-foot mast. You got your tilt, you got your side shift, you also got your outriggers, you got your mast going in and out. All your steering's tight, all your rotors are in sync. Steers nicely. We make sure all your lights are working. Backup alarm. Now you can give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998, or you can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you.